stormy weather, hold on tight as we enter windy world of tropical storm. Nature displays itself with many ways. One of its most impressive forms is a kind of storm known as a hurricane, typhoon, or tropical cyclone. Cyclone. These strong weather events form over tropical water. This spinning circular storm can become enormous, stretching over 900 kilometers across. This accompanying wind can reach speed of more than 320 kilometers per. The storm may also reach a height of up to 15 kilometers. They spin around a center called ice, which is a calm area with low wind speed. When this storm reach shores, the gale force wind, sometimes strong enough to tear trees out of ground. The heavy rain and the crashing wave often cause flooding and enormous damage to buildings. What's the difference between hurricane, typhoon, and a cyclone? The name depends on storm's locations. When tropical storms form in northeastern Pacific, they are called typhoon. In South Pacific and the Indian Ocean, they are called hurricane. They are called cyclone. In Central and East North Pacific and the North Australia, they are hurricane. No matter which term you use, these strongly storms leave damage on their path.